Ready to make 2024 your most profitable year yet? Here are 5 booming business opportunities that rake in $72,000 every month. Hey friends, imagine making $72,000 a month without a traditional 9-to-5 job. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start 5 different businesses that can help you reach that goal absolutely for free. These business ideas are perfect if you want to hit your first $100,000 with the help of AI and the internet. Ordinary people are transforming their lives and earning millions, but this golden opportunity won't last forever. Those who act now will join the 1% and live an incredible life, while those who miss out might remain in the 99%, living paycheck to paycheck. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Becoming a content creator. Why content creation? Sarah Finance, like many other successful creators, has turned her passion into a profitable career, making well over $50,000 a month. Content creation is one of the most easiest ways to make thousands of dollars monthly, and anyone could do it from home. First, you choose your niche. Think about what you love. For Sarah, it was finance. Pick a topic you're passionate about. Start creating content. Focus on short-form videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Avoid long YouTube videos initially. Look at successful creators. See what type of content perform well in your niche and emulate their strategies. Promote products and services to your audience. You can also earn from sponsors and ad revenue from YouTube. Here's a pro tip. Read Show Your Work by Austin Kleon, and This is Marketing by Seth Godin. Stay consistent and engage with your audience. Content creation takes the top spot because it's beginner-friendly, fun, and requires no initial investment. Selling products on Amazon, particularly digital products, can be a lucrative business. While Sarah Finance hasn't personally profited from this, many are making millions annually. Use BookBot to design low-content books like journals or notebooks. Upload them to Amazon KDP. Once designed, upload your books to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. It's quick and easy. Amazon handles the rest. Amazon will print and ship the book when a customer purchases it. Pro tip, focus on creating high quality designs to stand out in a competitive market. Research popular niches and trends to guide your product creation. Selling on Amazon ranks 4th due to high competition and the challenge of scaling for beginners. Dropshipping through Shopify allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Sarah Finance highlights its potential for high earnings. Set up your Shopify store. Create a custom website using Shopify. Use suppliers like AutoDS to add products to your store. Create viral content on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest to drive traffic and sales. Focus on a single high-quality product you believe in. Start with organic social media marketing before investing in ads. Dropshipping comes in 3rd. It's great for beginners but requires some initial investment and effort to maintain. Here's another YouTuber who earned money with other best businesses. Pinterest affiliate marketing. Why affiliate marketing? Sarah Finance makes over $155,000 a month from affiliate marketing. It's an excellent option for beginners and doesn't require showing your face. Step-by-step guide. Choose your niche. Decide on a niche like finance, fitness, or home decor. Find affiliate programs. Use platforms like impact.com and clickbank.com to find high-paying affiliate links. Promote on Pinterest. Post 3 to 5 images or videos daily on Pinterest. Use Canva for creating appealing visuals. Pro tips. Consistency is key. Post regularly and engage with your audience. Affiliate marketing is tied for first place with content creation due to its ease of entry and scalability. Check out this Pinterest affiliate marketing tutorial to learn more about this business. Online course creation. Why online course creation? Creating and selling online courses is a highly profitable business model. Many entrepreneurs, including the likes of Sarah Finance, Ali Abdaal, and more have successfully monetized their expertise through online courses. Choose your topic. Identify an area where you have expertise or a skill you can teach. Sarah, for example, could create courses on finance and entrepreneurship. Ali, on the other hand, has his part-time YouTuber academy. Outline your course content and create engaging video lessons. Use platforms like Teachable or ThinkFic to host your course. Promote your course through your social media channels, blog or email list. Leverage your audience to generate sales. Pro tip: provide value by offering actionable insights and high quality content. Engage with your students and gather feedback to improve your course. Online course creation ranks second because it requires a significant initial effort but can generate substantial passive income once it's set up. Of course, investing money up front isn't for everyone. I personally think you should start an online business with $0 up front. Once you start making a profit, you should reinvest your capital to grow and scale. Therefore, do not miss the opportunity to watch this video right here where I show you exactly how to make $1,000 a week on Etsy with $0 worth of investments. And as always, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more content like this.